Hi guys, I'm gonna go for a walk and I'm gonna show you Remy and I'm gonna look for some cicadas. Hold on. Remy! Remy! He's looking for cicadas too. No, don't eat them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. All the little brown shells. Those are all cicadas. Ooh, there's a guy. Look at him. Hi. They don't bite or sting. They're very, very friendly. And they're everywhere. That noise you hear in the background, that is all cicadas. There's a guy. And he probably came out of one of those shells. He's gonna climb up the tree. They actually come out of these little holes in the ground at first. Look at this. They came out of the ground here and climb up the trees. And they leave their shells there. Oh, there's a guy. Hi, guy. And there's Remy. What do you think, Remy? Remy's gonna help me. Aren't you, Remy? Remy! Remy! They're just so loud. I hope you can hear that. Sometimes they even come out of the ground and climb up the side of a house. See that? That's just a shell. And the cicada molted and came out and flew away. So that noise in the background, that's the cicadas. There's nothing else. No birds. Okay, maybe a few birds. No cars, no people. It's really loud and it's all cicadas.